Do you want to know how you can log into your Dhan Mutual Funds account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Dhan Mutual Funds account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Dhan Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Dhan Mutual Funds. You can see login on the top right hand side. You can click login if you already have an account, or else if you don't have an account, go ahead and click upon open account and you can create a Dhan Mutual Fund account for yourself today. As you have already created an account, go ahead and click on the link of login. It will take you to this page. Now you can log in using your QR code. Just open your app Dhan on your phone, scan the QR code and then you will be logged in. Or else if you want to log in using your email address, go ahead and click hide QR code and then you can see there's option of mobile number. So you can write down your mobile number, click proceed and an OTP code will appear on your phone. Write down the OTP code on the screen and then you can log in to your Dhan Mutual Fund account. You can also log in to other options like Dhan Web, options trader on web, Dhan with trading view, and you can see that there are different types of login portals to this as well. I hope this video about how you can log into your Dhan Mutual Funds account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.